Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can manage your email unsubscription preferences. You can set different categories such as evergreen newsletter or weekly newsletter. Then you can maybe have a May promotion if you have a launch going on. Then you can have another category. For example, let's say you sell pet supplies and you want to run promotions on, let's say, dog equipment or cats accessoires. So if I'm just a dog owner, I can unsubscribe from only the cat accessoires because I'm not interested in those. This will really help you to have a personalized engagement. It will keep your email list engaged and active. People will not feel spammed, and yes, the conversion of your sales will increase. This feature will also help you to have a healthier email deliverability because people will mark you less as spam, which will in return protect your sending domain, which means you're not going to land in the spam folder, but in the primary folder. Now let me show you how that looks like and how you can set this up. So first you want to navigate to Settings bottom left, and then you want to click on Preference Management Hub. From here, you can click Create Subscription Type, and you can add the subscription name. For example, Weekly Newsletter. You can add a description if you like, let's say information about dog supplies, for example, and then hit save. Here you can create as many different subscription types as you like, and the character limit is 100 to name those subscriptions. You can then turn on this toggle here to add the preference management link to every email footer that goes out, no matter if you send it from campaigns or workflows. If you're not in need of a subscription anymore, you can click the three dots here and then archive it. Let's click preview, and this is how it will look like once people click on the unsubscribe link. They just simply have these tick boxes here and can unsubscribe from a campaign they're not interested in. Please note, once you've set this up, you cannot undo this. You cannot turn this off anymore. So please make sure that you're really ready once you turn this on. Now let's send a test campaign. Click on marketing on the left, click on emails, campaigns, and then create a new campaign. Let's select an email template. Let's choose this one. And from here we can hit send or schedule. Then we can scroll all the way down, and here you have the preference type. You can select then all your subscription types. So let's say this is the weekly newsletter. Let's scroll back up and click send test email. Let's click send test email, and ta-da, here at the bottom we have the update your email preferences. Let's click that so you can see how it looks like, and it is exactly the same pop-up as I just showed you. Now another way how to update those categories is you go into contacts, you select a contact, then you click on D&D right here. And then next to email, you can see manage subscriptions. You will see those two categories showing up. If you wanted to manually unsubscribe, you can just click here, unsubscribe, and then the lead has been unsubscribed. Now, if you wanted to resubscribe them for whatever reason, you can do so by just clicking resubscribe, but then you have to fill out the legal resubscription box. What is the legal basis for communicating with the contact? What is that? Okay, is it a lead? Is it a customer? Is it something else? Let's say customer. Then explain why you would need to contact. So just simply put an explanation for communication consent. Let's say refund request and we really need to talk to them. Then let's hit submit, and they are then resubscribed. So please remember, this is just a category opt-out. This is not the global opt-out that unsubscribes them from all your emails. This feature will help them to just unsubscribe from emails they do not want to receive. And that's it already. This is how you can manage your email preferences much more effectively so you can keep more leads and sell more of your products. Well, I hope you like this feature, and please check out all of our free SOPs, white label videos, snapshots, and much more linked in the description box below. See you over there.